Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Our whole family, like our immediate family, is going on a camping trip right now, hence the shirt. So we are going camping at a KOA campground in Kentucky. It's like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, which is not bad. Had like an hour of sleep last night because I was last minute packing. I'll probably take a nap on the trip, but I'm also riding with Jenna and Kyle, so I probably won't because Jenna's gonna be so crazy. We're waiting on Jamie, Lynn, and Cameron, Kanan, and Jenna and Kyle to get here, and then we are leaving.
With your mom and dad. I was like, honey, it's just gonna get worse when Julie gets in here.
He said, you need to get up to my level. I was like, honey, nobody's gonna be at your level today. She said, oh yeah, Julie will. Julie will.
We left IHOP and then we came to Bob Evans because IHOP didn't have enough room.
Is yours on? Cameron, quit ignoring us. I quarter jam for your name, make it look so nice, like diamonds in the sky.
I'm in trouble.
I've been waiting all day for her to get in the car.
All day.
Kyle, is she like this all the time with you?
Not this extreme.
Not to this level, no. She gets extra when she gets with her family.
Yeah.
He brings me back to my family sometimes. Let's go look at Dad.
Jenna and Kyle's car drives by itself.
So then we can do this. Like a tickler.
I told you there's a semi.
Adults, let's go empty ours.
I have a very impatient little boy who thinks he's getting pulled right Hold on, don't say it now because I got him distracted with big. Whip mommy with that. Whip don't.
Jenna and Kyle's tent, and then Jamie, Lynn, and Cameron are over there. We are at number 5, Savannah and I, and then Jacob, Mom, and Dad are at number 4. Thank you.
Hang on!
Look at Jacob. Jacob has his shirt tucked into the pants.
Let's go swimming.
How high I can enjoy.
Oh, goodness.
Here, Jacob, pass it to me. Pass it.
Hey Dad, can you jump in?
Must really need to go on a diet and turn into swim fast or go back to swim fast.
Do it again. You're having so much fun?
Pull your shirt down.
What?
Hey, this is hot, Jamie.
Well,
Sneaking away. He woke up. He literally went.
What'd they say?
yeah, I woke up and I'm like, well, the world, we're like, everybody, she's like, yeah, they woke up and left you. I'm like, good.
You
burn alive over there.
you were only.
Well, yeah, but I didn't want to burn alive.
You were only over there for like a few minutes.
It wasn't even 10 minutes.
So we all got out of the pool and we are getting changed and getting in our
I
comfy
saw that
clothes.
fix my hair.
We're getting in our comfy clothes and then we're gonna get ready for dinner tonight because we're having homemade pizza and I'm excited because it sounds really good. Or maybe we're just like so tired from the pool that like anything sounds good, because you know when you get out of the pool and you're like super hungry. But anyway, we're just chilling.
This is so comfy.
Did Mom leave her phone here? It's like one pizza is done. You basically just go ahead and start eating.
And him putting it in.
Yeah, it took you guys 10 years to get back from the store.
They're literally making us
But,
pizzas right now. And then
so when the pizza's done.
Kyle's over here making them.
Smoking the ice.
Good morning, everybody.
He's like barefoot and everything.
Yeah, it's the Lake Cumberland Marina.
What up, vlog? I got Savannah here. I got Julie here with me. We're about to go out to Cumberland Lake. Have a good old boat day. We got Kyle, Cameron, and yeah.
So we're all trying to pack because we are trying to make sure we're not going to forget anything, because it's like an hour away. And then we have to go to the store and get stuff for lunch meat. Lunch late. And then we're good.
What are they doing? Are they laughing?
They didn't laugh at all. She was shaking.
She got mad.
She was like,
She was a Karen. Mom! No.
Dad's in dad mode right now.
You want it?
Yeah, he did.
What up, guys?
Go.
You hear me?
don't you dare.
Don't tell me not to dare. Remember, users, no. No, I'm not doing it. Sorry. You won't do that? I'm looking for a day.
Hey guys, after we got to the campground from boating, everyone was so tired, so we all just went to bed basically after we ate. The next day we just kind of chilled and slept in a little bit. We had a big breakfast and then we went swimming. So we are about to go to the Mexican restaurant tonight. I don't know why I said tonight, I mean like in 30 minutes.
Say that again, Dad.
Anyone hungry?
Yep.
Gracias.
Watch this.
We're watching.
You make it.
I'm gonna need to make it work.
What's this? Hey guys, we got back from the Mexican restaurant a little bit ago, and now we're going swimming, and then I think after that we're gonna possibly do s'mores on a bonfire, but everyone is kind of tired, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. But then I think we're gonna call it a night because everyone has to start packing, because tonight is our last night here and tomorrow we are leaving.
Hold it right here. Got it? Okay, don't let go of it. Hold it tight.
He's not gonna move now. Oh. Do you see him, Jamie? In Cameron.
See, Apple?
Go around in circles, Kanan.
So I gotta go over there.
Yeah, you can go. Hey, where are you going? Tell the vlog where you're going. Where are you going?
I'm
I'm
there.
gonna go swing.
I'm going to win.
Okay, have fun.
Okay. Before we leave.
Before we leave. Okay, bye chicken liver.
Bye. Bye, cornbread.
I remember we did something.
That's because you guys' schedules were just different.
Tell everyone where we are. A what? I know. We just got home. No, just kidding. I did it on purpose.
Hero.
Hey guys, we are home now. The trip was so much fun, and obviously I got burnt from Lake Cumberland because we were there for like 6 hours on that boat ride. Pretty much everyone got burnt. There's only a few people that just straight away got tan, which is, you know, annoying, but whatever. The only complaint I have about the KOA campground that we went to was, for some reason, they started blaring country music at like 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, which I don't understand why they did that. That's why in some videos on the actual campground that you'll hear those songs in the background. We were not playing those. It was the campground. So I may get copyrighted if YouTube hears that. But anyway, other than that, I think the entire trip was really fun, and I am so glad that we went. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did taking the trip. And we will see you in the next video. Bye!